Hey everybody, welcome back to Revive Redrive Garage. Just wanted to give you guys a little update. I got the Camaro pretty much all done, cosmetically per se. Except I got a guy coming up, a buddy of mine, it's a PDR guy. It's going to do some door danes where people have obviously just slammed their door against it. But check it out, guys. Looks awesome. Just got new tires on it. It is really looking nice. I even got me a Camaro wall banner for my garage. Still debating on a spoiler, and I'm still debating on if I'm going to put decal, like the RS stripes on it. What I really like is the 45th anniversary graphic kit. Even though this isn't a 45th anniversary car, you can get it that says RS or nothing. And I might go that route, I don't know. I put new brakes and rotors on the front. I got to put new pads on the back. And that's about it. She really turned out good. My buddy that I bought it off of bought this car brand new. And I mean, he really took good care of it. But he just wasn't one of those guys that went out and cleaned his car every week like me. And I put an Android radio in it. I don't really like it because it's way too close to the gear shift, but the radio is awesome. But I'm thinking about putting a turbo on this thing. I don't know. We'll see. I'm thinking about buying a car off of Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds. If I can get the car and the car shipped here for under my budget I've got set, I'm gonna buy, I'm not gonna say what kind of car it is, but it's something I've never had before. But if I do that, I'm gonna have to sell the Cruise first. Focus, I just took it out for its last hurrah. It's done for the season, let's say. I'm gonna fix this bumper. Well, I already fixed it, but I just gotta sand it down and paint it and replace the junkyard bumper on the RST. But yeah, I think this Camaro really turned out nice. And oh yeah, I forgot. Remember last video, the chrome emblems, they're gone. I love those red line emblems, even though they're fake from China, but they still look killer. And that's about it. The only thing I really did to this car, besides paint correction and cleaning the interior, was brakes and rotors, the blend door, of course, which works awesome. Put a purge valve in it. And I believe that's it. I mean, believe me, I've got some hours in this paint correction. A lot of hours. But it looks good, real good. I went with a variety of a recipe. I'm kind of like Chris on Chris Sullivan's channel. I had to start on a panel. I wish Gyeon would send me some stuff because I really want to try their ceramic stuff. So hey Gyeon, send me some stuff. But anyway guys, that's it for now. I just wanted to show you how the car turned out. I think it turned out really good. And I'm real happy with it. So until the next one, adios. And if anybody's interested in this Cruise, it's only got 89,000 on it. It's got a couple danes here and there, but it's a good car, real good car. I will take $4,500 from a channel if you get one, but somebody's a subscriber. But I'm gonna ask $5,000 for it to anybody else, which is a hell of a deal for an LTZ RS. It's completely loaded. It's got every option available. I mean, it was literally just inspected in PA in February 27, so you know it's a good car. So for now, guys, that's going to be it. And y'all have a good week, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.